Hello everyone and meet the Quark Quook, your ultimate 5-in-1 baby food processor and steamer. This smart machine lets you steam and blend fresh fruits, veggies, or meat in just minutes. Simply use the digital touchscreen to manage every step from steaming to creating smooth purees. The built-in bottle warmer feature even helps you save precious counter space in your kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the automatic sterilization cycles and the dishwasher-safe components. You can feel confident knowing this Canadian design is free from BPA, lead, and harmful chemicals. Give your little one the freshest homemade meals with this versatile and high-quality kitchen essential. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.